Hello and welcome to Packside DIY. Today we'll be making delicious fizzy sherbet. You will need 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon citric acid, 3 tablespoons powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons Jell-O powder. Measure each ingredient into a bowl. Mix them together and taste by licking your finger and dipping it in. You just ate a chemical reaction. When an acid, like citric acid, and a base, like baking soda, mix together, they neutralize each other. That means they turn into water and salt. That fizziness in your mouth is the neutralization reaction. Try different combinations of ingredients. Can you make it more fizzy? Less fizzy? Can you change the flavor? Give it a try and tell us what you discover.